Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another haul for you all. Now today is a little bit of a different haul because it is a homeware haul. So it is my 30th birthday coming up, which is insane. I can't believe I'm turning 30, but I'm also really excited for the next chapter. I'm stoked to be 30. I'm excited. And I am really excited because I'm having a big birthday party here at my house. We're just hosting it in the garden, something really simple. And my family are flying in, which is going to be so fun. They're coming for a week to kind of celebrate with me. And we are doing lots of construction on our garden at the moment. So we're kind of in a midway point. We're not completely finished. So what I thought I would do is make it kind of a rustic bohemian-esque party so that I could create lots of cool seating areas and that sort of thing, and nothing had to be kind of like perfect and finished. So I wanted to go to HomeGoods to pick up a few like key pieces, and I thought I would share them with you guys. I'm probably going to vlog, or I'm going to do some sort of get ready with me on the day, so I will show you the complete party, not in this video but in another video, so be sure to look out for that. And subscribe if you're not already, you guys. I'm making so much new content and I'm so excited to be doing it, so yes, make sure you're subscribed. And yeah, I'm probably not going to ramble too much. I'm just going to jump into the haul because there's a lot of bits to get through. I'm looking down there at my like 10 HomeGoods bags. So yeah, let's do this. Just a quick disclaimer at the beginning of this video, I haven't got everything for the party yet. There's lots of things that have been ordered on Amazon and all different things. There's furniture that's like arriving on the day. So this is just kind of like a general interiors extras thing, just so you know. So kicking things off, I actually just picked up 2 candles because I wanted some new candles for the house, and I always get candles at HomeGoods because they're super cheap and they're always like really nice candles. So I got 2 from this same brand. This is called Woodland Grove, and I picked up the scent Cedarwood and Leather, and I love this. I love really masculine scents for the home, or kind of neutral beachy scents. I don't love anything floral or very overpowering, but this is really nice. It just smells like fresh. I can read you the notes actually. It says here, fresh notes of birch, cut cedarwood, blue spruce are deepened with the luxurious warmth of intense velveteer and rich leather. It is a very masculine scent, but I really like it. I live with a boy, so it's kind of good, and I really like their packaging. I don't know if you can see there, or was it going to be too dark? I'll do a close-up, but basically there's a wood, kind of faux wood top, and the candle's really nice. I've left the sticker on. I think these were $7.99 each. I've tried to pick them off. And then this one, which I've already been burning, as you can see. Oh, I really like this one. This is mahogany and oak, and this one is dark mahogany and warm oak are lifted by lush greens, lavender and a touch of black pepper, grounded by pure amber. This one I really like. This is less masculine, more kind of just earthy, which I really like that. Okay, so on to the bigger pieces. Okay, so first up, it's quite easy to tell what this is. It is a giant cushion, and I need so many big cushions. Like, that's kind of the main thing what I went to HomeGoods for, and I found so many. How massive is this one? Just to give you some perspective on me, like, I can't even fit the whole thing in the frame, which is crazy, but this is such a nice cushion. It feels amazing. It's super squishy and soft, and I love that you can get really good quality cushions at HomeGoods for like a really affordable price. So this one was down from $50 to $29.99, and I'm really happy to pay $30 for this. It's gorgeous, feels amazing, and I think what we're going to do with the cushions once we're done, some cushions I got will be fine for outside, so we can use them on our got patio furniture, and then the ones like this one, definitely not going to leave this one outside. I am going to make the guest room a bit more kind of colourful and add some pops of orange, and you'll see the other colours throughout. So I got that orange cushion. I'm going to show you all the cushions first, and then I'm going to show you all the rugs because there's a lot. So then moving on to this cushion, I wanted a few printed cushions, but I didn't kind of want to go too crazy with the prints because there's lots of prints everywhere. So I wanted to kind of have some balance, I guess. And I picked up this cushion, which is a gorgeous like orange or like rusty color with like a cream. And this one this is significantly smaller as you can see, but it's still a pretty big pillow. Like a standard size. I think this is like a 16 by 16 pillow. This one was $16.99 down from $24, which I think is really good. Again, really nice quality there, and those look really good together. And then the final cushion I got, which I'm now looking at this and thinking I need so many more, so probably we'll be taking a trip back there, was this one. How freaking cute is this? It's like a mustard yellow. It's looking a bit brighter on camera, but it's mustardy in real life. And this is from Well Traveller, which they have a lot of, Design East. They have a lot of this brand in cushions in HomeGoods. And I love this one. This one was $16.99 as well. And I just think, like, just to give you an idea, like how nice do they look together. And then I have a gold cushion that's like old. And then I'm now looking and thinking I might want like maybe some green or pink to throw in there, kind of mix it up. We're trying to decide what kind of table colours we're going to get. We might get some coloured ones, so that might dictate. Then for rugs, I honestly got so many rugs. I spent far too much money on rugs, but we won't necessarily use all of them, but I really wanted to create seating areas with the rugs. That's what I kind of, my whole vision basically. So this one I love, which I'm going to just stand up to show you. How amazing is that print? Oh my goodness. I love it. It's so pretty. I love lotus flowers and mandalas, so I just loved this one instantly, and I just think this will be really nice. I might even use this in this guest room, like in the room where we are right now. All the kind of colours, this is the guest room, all the colours, excluding this chair, which I think I'm going to recover, they're all kind of like greys and golds and creams, so I feel like this afterwards I might just use in this room because it's really pretty. It's kind of like a thin, rough rug, but it's really, really nice. And it's quite a big size, this one. And this one was $24.99, and it's from, I don't know what this brand is called. It's 100% cotton. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure, but I really, really liked that one. It looks gorgeous with all my other colours. Then I got a super colourful rug, and this one I'm thinking we could keep outside if we want to, but I'm not 100% sure. Again, I'm going to just stand up to show you. It's really colourful, and I love the big tassels on the end. Like, how sweet are these? And this one was $14.99 down from $25, and it's just like, it's quite a good size of rug. And it's got lots of different like woven coloured fabrics going through it, so really, really like that one. But this is a really outdoorsy kind of rug. I got this one because it's really thick and like durable, so I feel like on a patio or somewhere it's gonna kind of like stay good outside. What you have to remember is it doesn't really rain in LA. We get rain so infrequently that I could leave something like this outside for most of the time and then just bring it in whenever it's like raining. And then I got a bunch of like smaller, kind of the same rugs, but they're all in different prints. And one of these I think I'm going to put in our bathroom because I love them. This is, again, just like a really simple blue and cream print with tassels. And this is like magic. If I was going to say what it was, I feel like it's like a magic carpet size rug. It's like a perfect one person size of rug, but my idea is that we're going to lay a few of them together and it's going to create like a little area of seating. And this one was $12.99. These are all really affordable, these smaller rugs. I think, yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm going to put one of these in our bathroom after we've used it. Or maybe a couple of them will stay outside, I don't know. So those, and then in the same size, I got this rug, which I love. This was the one I was like, oh, should I get it? But I really, really liked it. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna do it. This is from Rugs by Raj, and it's $16.99. This was half price because it should have been $30. And I just love the colours, like all those peachy and teal and like blues in it. It's just super pretty. I really like that. I'm gonna have to have a look at what one we could put. Maybe I'll do 2 in the bathroom. We've got kind of like a long bathroom where we could do 2 really nice rugs. And yeah, I really like those. And then finale, the last item is another blue and white printed rug from the Artisans Deluxe scatter rugs. And these are, again, just a really nice print with some tassels. So this one was again $12.99. And I just feel like I got such a really nice mix when you see them all together. They just look so I don't know, chic and pulled together. And then we've got lots of lanterns and hanging lights, and kind of, it's gonna be sort of magical is what I want it to be. I love hanging fairy lights and kind of that rustic outdoorsy but really pretty look. I don't really know if I'm explaining it very right, but I really have a vision in my head of what I want it to look like. So I'm really hoping I can pull it together. I I've been looking at a lot of Pinterest boards, shall we say. By the time you see this video, actually, the party might have happened, or it might be happening as we speak, I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm super stoked. It was so fun going to get all these bits. My creative juices all so excited. I love doing stuff like this. And that is it for this haul. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be trying to share as much of the party as I can in terms of sharing with you all the bits, and if I create anything, maybe I'll show you some DIYs and things like that. I'm not too sure because we've got 2 weeks, 10 days, something like that to go. So yeah, I am cracking down and getting on with it. I have so much things to do, but it's all very exciting. As always, let me know what you thought of this video in the comments down below, and also let me know what other videos you'd like to see here on my channel. Give this video a like and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!